That sometimes when people applaud us, when people appreciate us, sometimes it comes to our head. Pero tandaan po natin, kung gaano kabilis yung mga palakpak, ganun din po kabilis yung mga panunuri ng ibang tao. Be always level-headed. Basta't dapat pantay lang. Huwag mong hahayaang pumasok yan sa iyong ulo. Bakit? In the end, these things are actually beside the point. What is most important is what God thinks of us. Kung ano yung iniisip ng Diyos. Meron tayong kasabihan sa English, you cannot please everyone. Meron talagang matutuwa sa'yo, meron namang hindi matutuwa sa'yo. Basta't sana yung ginagawa natin, it is for the greater glory of God. Let us invoke the Holy Spirit to always remind us of the lessons that we must learn from life. So that as we grow in age, sana po habang tumatanda tayo, we also grow in wisdom and holiness.